Solve the given differential equation using embedded derivatives. 4 over 3x y cubed dy over dx is equal to x cubed plus y to the power of 4. So our first step, we're going to set v equal to some function with y. So we're going to set v equal to y to the power of 4. Step number 2, we're going to take the derivative. So we're going to get dv over dx is equal to 4y cubed dy over dx. So now we're going to take this function that we got, the derivative that we took. So we can set our dv over dx equal to some of these terms in this in the left side. So this is going to get simplified further, and we're going to be left with x to the power of 3 dv over dx, which is equal to x to the power of 3 plus y to the power of 4, we're just going to set as v. So next we're going to simplify this even further by taking the x divided by 3, and we're going to divide it into the other terms. So we're going to be left with dv over dx is equal to 3x squared plus 3v divided by x. So now we're going to move the 3v divided by x to the left side, and we're going to get dv over dx minus 3v over x is equal to 3x squared. So now if we look at this equation, it's just written in this form. dv over dx is plus p of x times v is equal to q of x. So we can set our p of x equal to negative 3 of x and our q of x equal to 3x squared. So this is known as a linear first order differential equation, and we can solve this using integrating factors. So our integrating factor, if, is equal to e to the power of the integral of negative 3x, which is just our p of x. So this is equal to e to the power of negative 3 ln absolute value x, which just simplifies to x to the power of negative 3. So now we're going to take our integrating factor and we can multiply our equation, all our terms of our equation. So we're going to have 1 over x to the power of 3 dv over dx minus 3v times x, 3v divided by x, multiplied by 1 over x to the power of 3, which is equal to 3x squared times 1 over x to the power of 3. And this just simplifies to d over dx. And this is known as a multiplication. So if we set our u equal to 1 over x to the power of 3, and this is just dv over dx, plus our v multiplied by our du over dx. So if we set our u equal to 1 over x to the power of 3, we can set our v just equal to v. So this is going to simplify, and this is going to equal 3 over x. So now we are ready to take the derivative, the integral. So we can move our d over dx to the right side. So we're going to have an integral of 3 over x dx. And now we can solve the integral. So this is just going to be 3 ln absolute value x plus c. And for our v, we can substitute it back as y to the power of 4. So times y to the power of 4 is equal to 3 ln absolute value x plus c. So now we can write our equation in terms of y. So y is equal to 3 ln absolute value x plus c multiplied by x to the power of 3 all to the power of 1/4. That is going to be our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe.